block, so I don't want to confuse you, but we're going to try cross-body block. Now, if you notice, the ones we were just doing, sometimes if he comes in quick, it's hard for me to catch it. This was a little bit easier, but like I said, this is more natural for most people. That's why I wanted to touch on it. But with cross-body, you're going to go like this. You're crossing across the body here. Here again, I want to go back with my forearm. Because if he pulls out, I'm going to get cut. It's going to hurt, yes, but at least I'm not going to bleed out. So, this one takes a little more work, and it's the same thing, same principle as here's the thing. People think it's this. They think it's a block, and then I push it through. No, that's not what I'm doing. As soon as he meets that obstruction, he's gone. He's gonna find another avenue of attack. So what I'm doing is I'm pressing to keep that away from me. Okay, I should not be blocking and then pushing this through. If I'm doing that, then he's not doing his part. An attacker would actually strike and then come through with it. As soon as he meets that obstruction, he's going a different route. So I know he's going, or I feel it starting to move, so I got to press. I want to press this in again to keep it away from my body. We go to the other side. Here, left hand, left foot, and then press to keep it away from it. And then out. You go pull out. I switch back. I switch my feet constantly on this one. Okay.
Don't grab it. Man, that was hard. Right in. Grab afterwards. Yeah, once you get it here, then you can come in. You use grab and start. Yeah, it happens. It's whatever. Yeah. First lot. Yeah. That's awesome.